5 best diabetic breakfasts that fight insulin resistance. Skipping breakfast can increase your risk of type 2 diabetes by 21%. Are you making the right choices to start your day? In this video, we'll unveil the 5 best breakfasts for diabetics. You'll discover how these meals can help stabilize your blood sugar, boost your heart health, and simplify diabetes management. From nutrient-packed superfoods to low glycemic index options, these breakfasts are designed to kickstart your day with the perfect balance of flavor and nutrition. Before we dive in, do us a favor and hit that thumbs up button if you find this information valuable. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to Diabetic Circle and click the bell icon so you never miss our new videos. Stay tuned until the end because we have 3 incredible gifts that will empower you to take control of your diabetes management. Let's get started. Number 5, almond flour berry pancakes. Almond flour berry pancakes offer a delicious and nutritious breakfast option perfect for those managing diabetes. These pancakes are crafted with almond flour, unsweetened almond milk, and fresh berries, creating a low glycemic version of a beloved classic. Unlike regular wheat flour, almond flour boasts a low glycemic index, which means it has a lesser impact on blood sugar levels. This makes it an excellent choice for diabetics looking to enjoy their meals without worrying about spikes in blood sugar. Interestingly, almond flour is also packed with magnesium, a mineral that's essential for blood sugar control. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutritional Science, increased magnesium intake is linked to improved insulin sensitivity and blood sugar levels. This makes these pancakes not just a tasty choice, but a smart one too. The healthy fats and fiber found in almond flour, combined with the antioxidants from fresh berries, contribute to a meal that's both heart healthy and satisfying. Did you know that almonds are technically seeds, not nuts? They belong to the same family as peaches and apricots, which is why you might notice a slight sweetness in almond flour that enhances the flavor of these pancakes. For a bit of extra indulgence, you can add a light drizzle of sugar-free syrup or a dollop of Greek yogurt, adding protein and a creamy texture without the sugar spike. Including almond flour, berry pancakes in your breakfast routine provides a balanced start to your day, offering sustained energy and satiety thanks to their nutrient-rich profile. They are a wonderful example of how traditional recipes can be modified to support health goals without sacrificing taste. Coming up next, we'll explore another breakfast delight that transforms a simple ingredient into a diabetes-friendly powerhouse. Number 4, chia seed pudding. Chia seed pudding is an excellent breakfast choice for diabetics, brimming with nutritional benefits that support overall health. Chia seeds are not only high in fiber, but also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their ability to regulate blood sugar levels and promote heart health. These tiny seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in liquid, creating a gel-like texture that makes them perfect for puddings. To prepare this nourishing dish, simply soak chia seeds in unsweetened almond milk overnight. You can enhance the flavor with a dash of vanilla extract and top it with fresh berries for an antioxidant boost. The beauty of chia seed pudding lies in its versatility. You can easily customize it to suit your taste. Add a sprinkle of nuts for extra crunch, a spoonful of cocoa powder for a chocolatey twist, or a bit of cinnamon for a warming, spicy kick. Not only does this dish support weight management by providing a feeling of fullness, but it also keeps you energized and satisfied throughout the morning. For a smoother, creamier texture, consider blending the mixture before letting it set. This simple step can transform your pudding into a luxurious breakfast treat. Enjoy this nutritious, easy-to-make breakfast that meets your dietary needs while adding delightful variety to your morning routine. Stay tuned as our next breakfast favorite takes a classic dish and gives it a healthful twist, perfect for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Number 3, spinach and feta cheese omelette. Kickstart your morning with a spinach and feta cheese omelette, a delicious and nutrient-packed breakfast perfect for managing diabetes. This dish combines spinach's high fiber content and essential nutrients with the creamy richness of feta cheese, offering a protein boost to fuel your day. Spinach supports weight management and enhances insulin sensitivity, making it an excellent choice for blood sugar control. Feta cheese, while savory, is moderate in saturated fat, promoting heart health without sacrificing taste. Cooking this omelet with olive oil adds healthy fats that enhance flavor and support overall well-being. This balanced breakfast helps regulate blood sugar levels effectively, making it ideal for those focused on their health goals. Pair it with a side of fresh tomatoes for an extra antioxidant boost. As we delve deeper into the best breakfast for diabetics, there's an often overlooked factor that can significantly impact your blood sugar control: the type of cooking oils and fats used. While many people focus on the sugar content in foods, the fats you cook with can be just as important. For instance, trans fats and certain saturated fats found in popular breakfast items can lead to insulin resistance, making blood sugar management more challenging. Surprisingly, even some plant-based oils like palm oil can have detrimental effects when used frequently. It's not just about what you eat, but also how you prepare it. Switching to healthier options like extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil can make a substantial difference. These oils not only have a better fatty acid profile, but also contain antioxidants that can support overall health. So, the next time you're preparing your breakfast, consider the oils and fats you're using. They might be the hidden key to better managing your blood sugar. Coming up next, we'll explore a breakfast option that is not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for blood sugar control in unexpected ways. Number 2, avocado whole grain toast. Avocado whole grain toast is an exceptional choice for a diabetic-friendly breakfast. Avocado, a nutrient-dense fruit, provides healthy monounsaturated fats that benefit heart health and help regulate blood sugar levels. When paired with whole grain toast, it adds essential fiber to the meal, promoting sustained energy levels and enhancing insulin sensitivity, the key factors in managing diabetes effectively. To further boost its nutritional value, consider adding a layer of hummus. Hummus is rich in protein and fiber, which aids in maintaining stable blood glucose levels and provides additional flavor and texture to the toast. This combination not only makes for a delicious meal, but also contributes significantly to overall health and well-being. For added benefits, sprinkle some flax seeds on top for extra fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, and a drizzle of lemon juice for a refreshing twist. Portion control is vital. Balancing healthy fats, whole grains, and fiber-rich foods can help maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Balancing these elements can transform your breakfast into a powerhouse of nutrition, supporting your diabetes management journey. Before we unveil the number 1 breakfast, let's pause for a moment. To support you in managing diabetes more effectively, we're thrilled to offer 3 extraordinary free gifts we've compiled just for you. First up, we're giving away our exclusive ebook, 25 Superfoods That Lower Blood Sugar. This is no ordinary list. It's a treasure trove of culinary delights that are both mouthwatering and beneficial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Then, for those of you who love to cook, we're excited to present a special recipe book. This collection is packed with ingenious diabetes-friendly snacks, dishes, and desserts. These recipes are designed to tantalize your taste buds without compromising your blood sugar. And lastly, you'll gain access to a breakthrough video, 30-second bedtime solution to stop diabetes. This innovative approach, the result of 20 years of dedicated research, offers a potential paradigm shift in how you manage diabetes. It's a piece of knowledge too valuable to miss, providing you with a simple yet effective nightly routine to help keep your blood sugar levels in check. To claim these incredible 3 free gifts, simply click on the link in the description below. Now, let's return to our countdown and unveil the number 1 breakfast that stands as a pillar in the 5 best breakfasts for diabetics, easy and healthy. Number 1, Nutty Cinnamon Greek Yogurt. Indulge in a delightful and nutritious morning treat with Nutty Cinnamon Greek Yogurt. This balanced breakfast option is a favorite for those seeking blood sugar control and weight management. Infused with plain Greek yogurt, a touch of cinnamon, and a sprinkle of nuts, This meal provides a satisfying protein boost to kickstart your day. Greek yogurt is renowned for its high protein content and probiotic benefits, which aid in digestion and gut health. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that daily consumption of Greek yogurt can significantly reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes by 14%. Adding cinnamon not only enhances the flavor, but also offers potential health benefits such as anti-inflammatory properties and improved blood sugar levels. The nuts sprinkled on top provide a crunchy texture while adding healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Almonds are rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, which help protect cells from damage. Walnuts are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for brain health and reducing inflammation in the body. This combination makes nutty cinnamon Greek yogurt a nutritious powerhouse that supports insulin sensitivity, helps maintain energy levels throughout the morning, and promotes overall well-being. For added variety, try mixing in seasonal fruits or a handful of chia seeds. Enjoy this quick and easy breakfast for a delicious start to your day while reaping the numerous health benefits it has to offer. So, there you have it, 5 best breakfasts for diabetics. These nutritious options can help you maintain stable blood sugar levels, reduce the risk of complications, and enhance your overall well-being. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these breakfasts do you think will make the biggest difference in your daily routine? Do you have any favorite diabetes-friendly breakfast recipes you'd like to share? Your tips and experiences in the comments below can inspire and support our community. If this video has illuminated new possibilities for you or reinforced your current health strategies, please show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing to Diabetic Circle, and clicking the notification bell so you never miss out on our new videos. The Super Thanks feature is also a wonderful way to help us continue providing valuable health insights. Before you go, remember to check out the 3 exclusive free gift links in the description below. They're packed with tips, recipes, and innovative strategies designed to help you manage and even prevent diabetes. Remember, your health is in your hands. Thank you for watching. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and here's to your health.